Nag-demos na, oy, kuyawa, oy. Swabe, oh. Kiara. Galing. One more. Ito, fairy walk. Kiara's fairy walk. Oh. Final. It's okay. Ano, kuya, oh. Ano? Kuya. You can try one more, Kiars. One more.
Pila ka nun habang pagpunta.
Pila ka pa. So they have fairy walk. Famous fairy walk.
Tingnan mo yung video, ma'am.
Ito nakapila. Then you have to pay 50 pesos for fairy walk. Yan. Ito yung fairy walk na so this is Kambugahay, no? Parang level 4. You pass 4 levels. Okay.